A guide to turn off search and watch history on YouTube. So let's open the YouTube first. From there, you need to tap on your profile, which means you and the bottom. After tapping on that, you need to go ahead into the settings, which is over the top gear icon. After going over there, you need to scroll down in the settings to find manage all history. So let's tap over that. And from here, you could see all the YouTube history over this. Now, if you need to turn off search and watch history on YouTube, all you need to do is that you need to go to the saving your watch history option, which is the first. So you need to tap on the little arrow mark here, and by tapping on that, from here you could see YouTube history. Now you need to tap on turn off option, which is here. By tapping on turn off, you need to pause YouTube history. So that will be paused. Now you can delete your old activity and you can tap on the got it. So you could see that YouTube history has been turned off. Now, if you go back here to the YouTube, now from here, if you search for any of the things, like I'm searching for songs, and now I can scroll down to find any of the videos here. Let's say if I again go over there, you couldn't see the search history because that was being turned off again. So I'm searching, seeing this, and I'm scrolling few shots like this. Now, if you tap on you here, and from here you could see I have previously viewed these shots, but now which I have viewed, so those are not here. So this is how you turn off search and watch history on YouTube. Thank you.